Okay, now we're going to work on two-step equations, okay? So just one more step. So we still want to get this variable by itself. So we have to get rid of this constant first. So with the plus 3, we're going to subtract 3. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So now you bring down 4p, just to cancel that out, equals 8. We're going to divide both sides by 4 to get the variable by itself, and p equals 2. We're going to go back over here, and we're going to check, substitute n, and 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. That balances so that p equals 2 is correct. Okay, the next problem. We want to get the p by itself. Doesn't matter which side it's on. We're just going to isolate it. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. 21 minus 6 is 15. We're going to divide both sides by 5. And p equals 3. We're going to go over here and check to see if that balances by substituting our 3 in. 21 equals 15 plus 6. 21 equals 21. It balances. Okay, the next problem is we want to get the p by itself, so we're going to subtract 3. That gives us 14 equals 2p. Divide by 2. And p equals 7. Substitute it in to check it. We said 2 is 7. 14 plus 3. 17 equals 17. So it balances, so we know it's correct. And then we have one more. So we have 1/3 x. Let's write it down here. 1/3 x plus 6 equals -8. Okay, I'm going to put it over here too for the check. Alright, so we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. Cancel. And here's our fraction, so we multiply by the reciprocal, or just you can say 3. I'm going to show it. So it's cancel. And -14 times 3 is -42. We're going to check it. So 1/3 times -42. Put that over 1 and multiply it, right? -42 divided by 3 is -14. -14 plus 6 is -8. And that balances as well.